zoomed in on certain houses that you might want to look at. So with this, I can click this house right here. It's at Calhoun Road. And we really spent a ton of time thinking through and working with actual realtors on what they really would like to see inside of their real estate feature that we've been working on for so long. And with this, we give you a ton of options. So you can give detailed views on basically unlimited amenities of the building. I'm not sure how many we have listed here, but you can list all the details of a house that you are currently looking to sell. You have your direct phone directions to the house and email contact information. If the person has questions, you can list a description right here and also information about who it's listed by. And then of course some pictures for you to go through. So also if this person wants to share, another big upgrade that we made with this new release is we've allowed you to share essentially any part of the mobile application through multiple different networks. So that's definitely a huge selling point. But going back to how this works within step 2, I can go over to the houses that are listed and click on edit. And as you can see, it's fairly simple. We ask you to add the address, a quick thumbnail just so when you're looking at that list view, you're able to quickly just see a glance of the home. And then from there we ask for more details such as the price of the house, what kind of house is it a single family house, is it a condo, townhouse, multifamily, apartment, and much more. Status, you can make it active, non-active, maybe it's off the market, maybe it's on the market. Beds, baths, square feet, lot size, years built, year updated, description. And this is where you can really enter in the nitty-gritty. So if you wanted to just add in all of these sorts of amenities to this home right here, you can easily do so. So we really thought through how realtors think, what home buyers want to see when they're looking at certain houses, the information they need to make a sound purchase decision. And with this, you can literally state every single type of amenity inside of a house, all inside of the mobile application. And then best of all, there's direct contact to you. So whatever agent is working on the house, you can put their contact information here, and if the user of the application presses contact, this agent would be contacted. So you could essentially put in more than one listing with more than one contact information, and whatever house that was being looked at and contacted, the information would be sent over to this person right here. And then also, listing photos of a house is very crucial. We allow, obviously unlimited photos. You can also add descriptions of photos, maybe for this photo right here, it looks like a bedroom. You can maybe type in a description about the bedroom, the size of the room, maybe furniture that's included, whatever it may be. Just tons and tons of customization options for you to give a detailed description of the house that you're working with. And that's pretty much it. And another cool feature is download a CSV file for you to quickly upload houses into the real estate tab extremely easily. So if you would like to upload through an Excel file, you would just click the CSV file, and once you download it, you can see all the information and all the fields that you have already uploaded inside of the mobile application. One thing that you guys definitely need to be aware of is when you download this Excel sheet, it's going to show the houses that are currently in the mobile app. So If you go ahead and want to add additional houses, make sure you add them at the bottom. Do not add at the top, because if you add at the top, it'll erase the information that's currently inside the mobile application. The mobile app reads from this Excel sheet, so if you want to add an additional house through an Excel sheet, just add it here at the bottom and keep the houses that are already entered inside of the mobile application. And you can enter all this information in and then go ahead and click edit and add additional information through the Business Apps platform. That's completely okay, but this should save you a ton and a ton of time when listing a bunch of homes if you have, essentially 100 homes to list. So very, very cool. So I'm going to kind of click around this mobile application just a little bit more just so you guys can get a sense of how much we have really redesigned these applications. Like, for example, if you notice down here at the bottom, we have a world news tool that gives you up-to-date real estate information at all times. And this can be customized. It's pulling information from Google News, Twitter, and also Facebook. Login with Facebook is required to get that news, but as you can see, it's a ticker at the bottom, so as it changes, it's completely new. Also, you can see your push notifications all in here. The mortgage calculator has also been redone. It's been redone with a really cool animation, so I'll show you an example right here. Let's say you're buying a $500,000 house, and when you calculate that, you'll see a really nice motion. And when you're done with that, you can just click out, and you're back to the top. And just going through the app, again, every aspect of the mobile application has been redone. And it just looks absolutely fantastic. And so one more example I wanted to show you guys. With the new real estate feature, I feel like we're really going to be seeing a lot more real estate applications. And with the geofencing feature, you can use it for the same exact reasons. You can say, open house over in Myrtle Beach. Come by if you're interested in checking out a beautiful home, or whatever it may be. And so what I can do is, again, I'm going to set up that geofence. I'm already in Myrtle Beach. I believe this is the house that I have listed. So if they get within this range, and again, you can get really tricky with your net right here, so you can really kind of pry people in. You can make it as big as you want, you can make it as small as you want. So whenever they enter that range, they'll get this message right here. And then again, we also have these offers right here for real estate agents as well. So if I scroll down, I can find ones that would apply to real estate agents. And we can use maybe one of these ones right here. Whatever you wanted to use, you can pick one of these, customize it, and then when you send it, they'll slide open that push notification, and that's what they're going to see. So again, geofencing is probably going to be one of our most popular features coming up. It's just so powerful, just having the ability for someone to be notified when they're in the area, because if they have some free time and they enter that circle, they're probably going to be more adept to come and check out the open house as if they weren't in the area. So definitely a really cool feature. I highly recommend checking it out. I definitely have to give hats off to our development team. Took a lot of work to create, but in the end, this is going to be a very, very popular feature. So